Hi there. Welcome to the world of wash, where we, the SoftWash team, are the exterior cleaning heroes of the Pacific Northwest. If it can be cleaned in the Pacific Northwest, it's cleanable anywhere. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of moss, specifically the three main types of moss we encounter while cleaning roofs in the Pacific Northwest. When it comes to tackling moss on roofs, we've got some tricks up our sleeves. Firstly, we've got the bulky moss that brushes off fairly easy with little to no resistance. The brush also is great for getting rid of other debris like branches, pine cones, and tree debris that the blower struggles with when it's wet or clumped together with tree sap. Secondly, we encounter the hard as rock type of moss that grows on the bottom edge of the shingles. This one doesn't brush off easily without causing granular loss. If you do decide to brush this style of moss, it's important not to spend too much time or elbow grease on it. We suggest just treating this style of moss. We always explain to our customers beforehand that it takes years for moss to accumulate, and it will take some time for it to be safely removed from the roof, about 3 months. Patience is key. Last but not least, we come across the thin blanket style moss that's like a spider web with its root system. This one doesn't brush off without taking granules with it, so your best course of action is to treat it. For steeper roofs, we use an extension pole with a brush and try to treat from the ground whenever possible. Our goal with the brush isn't to remove all the moss, but to remove the loose bulky moss and debris. Let's not forget about black algae. Our moss treatment solution usually does a great job of removing those unwanted organic stains on the same day of service. However, please note that black algae can be very slippery when wet, especially on tile roofs. So we always ensure it's safe before proceeding with debris removal. So there you have it, our approach to tackling different types of moss on roofs in the Pacific Northwest. And remember, if you ever find yourself lost in the woods, moss tends to grow on the north side of trees, and it also likes to grow on the north side of your roof. At SoftWash, we always leave our customers with results that leave them saying wow, every time. SoftWash, your Pacific Northwest's exterior cleaning heroes.